YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Guys, listen up, all right? We got what you guys been waiting for, the Soundcore by Anker. You know what I'm saying? Select Pro, waterproof. You know what I'm saying? Bluetooth. You know what I'm saying? Speakers up in here, all right? Listen, I got these from Walmart for about, let me see, check the receipt. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. $168.76 in total, guys. All right, this is gonna ruin my bank account, but this is for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna review it for you guys. All right, for YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Before we get into the video, though, guys, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Guys, I'm trying to switch stuff around. I'm testing stuff on the channel. Okay, that's what I'm doing. All right. At the time of this recording, if I were to look at my phone right now, we're at 386 subscribers. Each and one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to the channel. All right, YouTube. Enough jibber jabber, enough rambling. We're gonna get straight into this thing right here. All right. So yeah, let's get straight into this. All right, YouTube. So this is the box right here. You know what I'm saying? We had to change location because it's too loud up in this joint. All right, people making too much noise around here. But anyways. This is the Soundcore by Anker Select Pro portable waterproof speakers. All right, guys. As you guys can see right here, you know what I'm saying? It has a BassUp IQ. You know what I'm saying? Bluetooth, 16 hours of playtime, IPX7, and customizable EQ. All right. This thing also comes with an app that you can download on the Play Store. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to read all this, you guys can read all of this. I'm not going to read it. We're going to go straight into this thing. All right? No wasting no time up in this joint. All right? Hold on. Let me put some light. Okay, there you go. It's better now. All right? So we're going to open this up. Actually like this. Boom, boom. All right? So I picked this up from Walmart. You know what I'm saying? So it wasn't even like closed all the way and stuff like that. But anyways, man. Enough jibber jabber. We're gonna get straight into this. You know what I'm saying? So what is in here? We got user manuals down here. All right. Some sort of warning manual or whatever. So we ain't gonna read that. You know, like always, we don't read nothing up in here. Just the little Soundcore little pamphlet. You know what I'm saying? Tells you how to use the thing. It's pretty straightforward, to be honest. Ain't no rocket science up in here. All right, what else we got in here? A little more of a pamphlet. We ain't gonna read that. Is there anything else in here? Oh yeah, right here. This is a USB Type-C charging cable for this thing right here. It's kind of small, but it'll do what needs to be done. Okay, it does. You know, you get what I'm saying. It does what it needs. You get what I'm saying. It's gonna charge the thing. Okay, it's gonna charge it. All right, and then boom. This is some extra stuff that we don't need. Too much stuff around here. All right, so boom. This is up. There you go. This is the Soundcore by Anker. You know what I'm saying? Select Pro right here. As you guys can see. It's pretty big. It's pretty robust. Not that heavy. Not that heavy at all. All right. So as you guys can see right here, if it wants to focus, come on, focus. You know, it don't want. Okay, there you go. Anyways, it's not focusing, but anyways, this is the BassUp Bluetooth. You know, power down, power up, power, and then the lights. So this thing has lights. You feel me? So let's get straight into this. Let's pair it to my phone, download the app that I'll be talking about, and let's get straight into this. All right, so this is a speaker right here. You know what I'm saying? As you can see right here, Soundcore branding right here, right engraved into, you know, the handle. You know what I'm saying? Looking real nice. So yeah, these are the different buttons. We already went through that. The BassUp, Bluetooth, power down, power up. I mean, volume down, volume up. You know what I'm saying? The power button and then lights. All right. And then at the back, there's some extra ports right here. Let me see if I can open this up. Hold on real quick. All right. There you go. Right here, as you can see, IQ USB. and then USB Type-C input. So this is to charge the Select Pro speakers, and also, you know, you can charge, I'm pretty sure, other stuff too. We gonna test it, so don't worry about it, YouTube. But yeah, let's turn this on and see how this sounds. All right, so to turn it on, obviously you press on the power button. Straightforward. Boom. Like, as you can see right now, the blue lights are lighting up, looking real fantastic, looking real nice. It's already connected to my phone, so we're already connected right here. You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, hold on, just give me 1 second. So as you guys can see right here, Select Pro, Soundcore Select Pro connected. All right, I'm already liking. I'm a fan of the lights. The lights look really nice. You know what I'm saying? If I were to turn off the lights real quick, hold on, just give me a sec. All right, boom, the lights are closed. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? It looks real nice. You know, if you want to play this in a party or something, we're gonna see how loud these are. But if you want to play in a, you know, hold on, someone's calling me. Would you look at that? It's Techrific. I'll be right back. Oh, YouTube, say hi to YouTube, man. You're on camera, man. Say hi.
Good Tech Realism crew.
Yeah. So I got a song right here on my Google Drive. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get copyrighted. So yeah. All right. So listen to this. All right. It's pretty loud. Not even a maximum, YouTube. This is a maximum right here. Then you can add the bass. Oh, I turned it off actually. I think that was a maximum. So this is with bass. I just put the volume down, but this is with bass. Without bass, it sounds trash. So I don't know what you guys are not. If you guys are gonna get a Bluetooth speaker, have some bass on the music. You feel me? But there you go. I'm putting bass. Let's switch the song. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can really hear the difference. Alright, this is another song on my Google Drive. Copyright free. Pretty good, isn't it? It's a pretty good product. You know what I'm saying? These are very loud. I'm telling you, I can. If I were to go upstairs right now in my bedroom, I'm pretty sure I can hear this from way down here. These are loud, rugged. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm really liking these things, man. I'm gonna have to return this thing, but I'm telling you, I might just not return this thing. I might just not return this, bro. Because this is like, whoa. You know what I'm saying? These are loud. And these are meant for the outdoors too. Extreme outdoor sounds and lights. You can play this outdoor. You can play this indoor. You know what I'm saying? We didn't even download the app yet. Okay, YouTube? We didn't even download the app yet. But you guys can hear the bass. You guys can hear how loud this is. Okay, I'm already getting excited because this is crazy. All right, let's get back to the music so you guys can hear and listen and really, you know what I'm saying, enjoy this thing right here. Guys had a house party, you know what I'm saying? This thing will do the trick. Trust me. This thing is so loud, it's not even funny. Let's switch to another song. Alright. This is not even a maximum, you feel me? Let me turn back the lights on. Lights are back on. Not even max volume. You hear that bass? You hear that bass? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me increase the volume. YouTube, hey man, this is very loud, rugged. I'm really, listen, I'm not gonna return this thing. I don't even think I'm gonna return this. If I were, I might just buy it again. You feel me? I might just get two because these are too loud. You know what I'm saying? Then we're not talking. Then we're not joking about the bass. And if you guys know me, I'm a sucker when it comes to bass. Okay, especially on my Bluetooth speakers. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I'm a sucker for bass. This has bass to the maximum. You guys already heard it for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Do I recommend this thing? I do. I recommend this thing 100%. Why? Because this is real tech. You feel me? Soundcore. If you guys are watching this video, you gotta send me more things like this my way. You feel me? I'll be happy, you know what I'm saying, to review this. Sheesh. Man. Guys, imagine if it was a song with a lot of bass. Imagine it was your favorite song with a lot of bass. I'm telling you, man, this might just be what you guys are looking for. You know what I'm saying? If you have a house party, outdoor party, a picnic, this will do the trick. All right? Listen, man. Let me play one more song. All right, this is another song right here that I purchased. All right? You guys can hear this?
Burn that beat, boy.
Alright. Just wait for the beat to drop. Ooh. Alright. Alright. I mean, hey man, this speaks volumes. No pun intended. This speaks volumes, guys. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, wait a second. Man, guys. Anyways, man, this thing is ridiculous. YouTube!
Quietly busy. We do it better.
Yeah! Hey! Hey! Yeah! Hey! Hey! Anyways, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? That's a video. Like, hold on. Before we get to the outro, hey, is this real tech? Is this real tech? The Soundcore Select Pro, is this real tech right here? The answer is yes, absolutely. Okay? If you guys are going to be at a house party, this thing's loud, okay? You're going to hear the bass. You're going to hear it everywhere in the house, okay? You're going to hear from the upstairs to the downstairs, through the walls. You know what I'm saying? This thing, you want to get this thing. I'm telling you guys. Anyways, link in the description, all right? Affiliate link, obviously. If you guys want to contribute to the club, contribute to the channel, click the link below. You know what I'm saying? It will help me to review things like these. You know what I'm saying? And Soundcore, Anchor, all right? If you guys are listening to this video, if you guys are watching this video, hey, man, send me more stuff my way. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy to review these type of items. You know what I'm saying? Bluetooth speakers, whatever the case may be. Whatever you have for me, just send it through. All right, YouTube? So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. Now we're getting back to the outro. You feel me? All right? Each one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to the crew. Man, I'm talking way too fast, but yeah, you guys get the point. You know what I'm saying? At the time of this recording, we're at 86 subscribers. All right? So, yeah, each one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to the crew. All right, YouTube, we out. Peace. Oh, my God.